Hey everyone, welcome back to Quick Tech Tips. Today I'll show you how to recover deleted files on Windows 10 and 11 using free and simple methods. Don't worry, you don't need to be a tech expert for this. Method 1. Recycle bin. First, check the recycle bin. Most deleted files go here first. Just open it, right-click the file you want, and hit Restore. Your file goes right back to its original location. Method 2. File history/previous versions. Second, if you have file history or system restore enabled, you can bring files back. Right-click the folder where your file was, choose Restore Previous Versions, and pick the version you want. This is built into Windows. Method 3. Free recovery tool, Recover. And third, if it's not in the recycle bin and you don't have backups, try a free tool like Recover. It scans your hard drive and lets you recover files that were deleted. Just be quick. The sooner you try, the better the chances of recovery. So those are 3 easy ways to recover deleted files: recycle bin, previous versions, and free recovery software. Which method worked best for you? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more simple PC tips every week.